guys, it's Tom here. I'm pretty excited about today's show. We're going to be making a shrimp and asparagus with angel hair pasta. I know you regular viewers are probably going, what do you mean you're not going to be deep frying anything? Not today, sorry. Every once in a while we like to get a little bit healthy. Not so much, but in my book, this is healthy. But more importantly, it's easy to make. But most importantly, when your friends come over and they see what you've just made, they're not going to believe it. So we have our shrimp, 16 to 20 count. Asparagus, mushrooms, and we have 4 seasonings here right from the garden. We have thyme, basil, oregano, and parsley. So this is my oregano, back there is my thyme. I lied about the basil and the parsley. I bought those at the store about an hour ago. Over here is our pre-cooked angel hair pasta. We have Parmesan cheese, sliced green onions, chopped tomatoes, red pepper flakes, fresh garlic, and a little bit of white wine. So that's pretty much it. All good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I got a pan here and I got some olive oil heating up here. I want to get this at about 350, 375, just so when you put the shrimp in, we're going to brown them on both sides. And while they're in there, I'm going to hit them with a little red pepper flakes. Not too much. You don't want it too spicy, but just to give it a little bit of a kick. And it looks like they're just about done. Going to put in some asparagus. Going to add the mushrooms, the chopped tomatoes. See, that looks beautiful already, doesn't it? Fresh garlic, chopped green onions. Just going to let that cook up a little bit. You can just smell it. Well, you can't smell it, but I can smell it right now. It smells really good. We're going to add the wine. All the herbs, just throwing them right in there like that. That's pretty much it. So now we'll add some pasta, all pre-cooked ahead of time, okay? I always make extra because you just don't know the pasta to the vegetable ratio. So put that in there like that. On top of that, we're going to add our shrimp. How beautiful is that? I know, very beautiful. Okay, mix this all in. And I was worried about what I was going to have for dinner tonight. There you go. So there you go, shrimp and asparagus with angel hair pasta. It doesn't get any better than this. Very simple to do. I mean, I whipped this together in really about 5 minutes, even with the camera stopping and starting, so you can do that too. And I don't know what we're going to be cooking next time, but I'm sure it's only going to be half as good as what we made here tonight. Good night, guys.